Looking for a CAD tool for your future engineers already know how to use. Let me explain why SOLIDWORKS is still the standard. I'm William Jaltalo from BLM Group, and in this video I will break down why SOLIDWORKS is used so widely, especially across the Nordics and Baltics. SOLIDWORKS is one of the most widely used CAD tools in the world, and it has earned its position as the standard CAD for industrial production. And that matters for one big reason: hiring. If you use very niche tool, you face challenges to find people who know it, and you need to train people. If you use SOLIDWORKS, most engineers already know it and can get started immediately. SOLIDWORKS also allows scale up without limitations. SOLIDWORKS also allows you to do pretty much everything you need for development and hardware startup. It can handle 3D modeling, assemblies, drawings, sheet metal and weldments, simulations, depending what you need. One important point here: your CAD tool is not just a tool. It's a long-term decision that affects how fast you move, who you can hire, and how easily you can scale. And when you combine SOLIDWORKS with 3D experience, you are not just designing anymore. You are actually managing your whole product development process, and that can make all of the difference for your startup.